Hi, good morning. I am Arjun from grade 7th.
Hi, I am Bhuwana from grade 7th.
Now I am going to explain about linear equation in one variable.
What is linear equation?
Linear equation is nothing but an equation which expressed as a form of ax plus b is equals to 0.
Give example.
Now I will take one example. X plus 3 is equals to 5. Now this part is called as RHS side. This part is called as LHS side. Now RHS side is nothing but a right hand side. LHS side is nothing but a left hand side. So in RHS side 5 is there. I will take in RHS side. Now we will balance both the side. Now in RHS side 5 is there. So I will take in RHS side 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In LHS side 3 is there. So I will take 3 in LHS side. 1, 2, 3. See, now it is balanced.
No.
So I will add again 1.
No.
Now it is balanced. I will add again 1. Now it is balanced.
Yes.
Because RHS side is equal to LHS side. RHS side also 5. LHS side also 5. So now the final answer is x is equals to 2. Now the variable value is x is equals to 2. So we taken extra 2 stones. That's why x is equals to 2. Thank you.